something a little different today, a styling video of characters from different Netflix shows. And first up we have the Queen's Gambit. By the way, I hope you liked that intro, it took me hours.
Easy, stuck inside my head all day, I'm going crazy. I need you how I need you, oh I need you baby. I need you how I need you, oh I'm going crazy, yeah. Stuck inside this hopeless mess, I'm manic baby. Stuck inside, I can't forget, I'm losing sailing. I need you how I need you, oh I need you baby. I need you how I need you, oh I'm going crazy. Drop.
You have proved that you fight well. Now you can join us.
Deep cuts. Wake up, check your phone. Ignore the alarm, you're still alone. Wake up, rewind the night. Who are you? But also kinda who am I? Wake up, check your phone. Pre-party for the apocalypse, don't forget to RSVP. Think about how the polar bears are running out of ice. But hey, this photo got a lot of likes. Get down, but don't feel down. This is why we can't have nice things, like a clean car or world peace. So the sleep from your eyes, and supersize your vibe. Wake up, check your phone. Wake up, check your phone. Smoke till you feel numb. Check your phone. Check your phone. Check, check, bump, check, check, bump. Dial the tone. Drink it till it feels right. Drink it till it feels right. Check your phone. Check your phone. Check your phone. Wake up to the American dream. Cherry Coke in the bathroom of a club. Influence you, influence me. Under the influence of my own anxiety. Check your phone, get some new clothes. Not sure where to begin, still stuck in my own skin. Dennis Rodman, 96, 97, even 99. What a time to be alive. Start a podcast, become a DJ. Try and fill the void inside. I'd be lying if I didn't say that sounds nice. Wake up, check your phone. But the battery's died. Wake up, check your phone. Brush your teeth, count your calories. Single-use plastic, how tragic. Fake friends, real problems. Check your phone, but you're still alone. Wake up. Bees are dying off, it's kinda sad. Oh my bad. Can I have a +1? Look directly in the sun. Get on the dance floor. Put your hands in the air. 24/7, loneliness, live stream, no regrets.
Check your phone.
I know you go like you know me. Let's run away together, go and live by the sea, yeah. I know a place and it's pretty far away. Well, we could leave tomorrow and be there by Saturday. Well, it is pretty simple, but that is all we need. We would have each other and live off the coconut seed. I know you love the ocean and you love the sun. We could take our clothes off and have some fun, and we'll grow old like two leather bags, leave footprints on the beach as we walk through the sand. We'll grow old like two leather bags, let the sun kiss our skin as we run hand in hand. Shoes and dresses, who needs them when you have your bikini and the clear ocean? And when the sun ain't watching and the moon's out too, we could have some fun in the lagoon, just me and you. Well, we could live happy for the rest of our days. Maybe one day have some kids and teach them our silly ways. Well, they would dance in the moonlight as I play on my guitar, and you can teach them to wish when they see a shooting star. And we'll grow old like two leather bags, leave footprints on the beach as we walk through the sand. We'll grow old like two leather bags, let the sun kiss our skin as we run hand in hand. We'll grow old like two leather bags, leave footprints on the beach as we walk through the sand, yeah. We'll grow old like
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know.
Right guys, that was everything. I really hope that you liked this video. It was a bit different. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and also follow my Instagram for more daily, well not daily, but more regular pictures and posts. Until then, I'll see you next time.
Wake up, check your phone, ignore the alarm.